Hey, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be walking through a demo of this AI solution we've built. And I'm really excited to show you this so you can see some of the capabilities that AI has and how it can help your business. So what we've built here is an AI sales bot within Slack. For this demo, we've connected it to a few tools. We've connected it to HubSpot, which I'll show you some things in action here. I've also connected it to my email, and just in my drafts. Wanted to show you baseline, my drafts are empty, what this looks like. And then you'll see as we're interacting with the agent how those things change. But basically, on a high level, we've given it access to view our deals in HubSpot. And we've given it access to add deals to HubSpot. It has access to add emails directly to my drafts. I like to do it that way because I just like to always, double check, have it in my drafts. I can look at it um, before sending it out. But you could send it directly as well. And you just kind of skip that review step in the drafts. But anyways, today we're going to be showing you how it's currently built, and there's a lot of flexibility and a lot of different things, ways you can change it, customize it. But hopefully you'll find this interesting. So just to get started, I'm here in Slack, and we'll just start by giving it a simple message. What can you do? And then you'll notice it will always respond as a thread. So we just got that reply. So if we open it, let me just move this down. So what can you do? I can advise on sales strategy, pipeline health, qualification, craft personalized outreach. I can update HubSpot, prepare email drafts, analyze deal data, recommend next steps, yada yada. So basically, this is a nice little AI sales, well, as we've called it, Sales Master AI. So it's a sales assistant with a lot of information to really help propel our sales and is be that virtual assistant in a sense. And so let's look at some of the tools we get access to. So let's look at this. So we'll look at getting some data from HubSpot. So example company 7, let's just say give me the deal size of example company 7 from HubSpot. Give it just a sec. So the deal size for example company 7 is 90K. That's correct. Let's go look at this one. Example company 11. And just to give another example, I'm going to copy this and change it to 11 just to make it quicker. Give it just a sec, and then we get that response. Okay, the deal size for example company 11 is 25K, which is what we got. So I mean, we could go, go through all of them in different stages, but you can see how it can access that data that we've given it with and given access to the HubSpot, so it can see and say, okay, this is the deal size, um, as well as other information. So now let's add a new deal. So let's say add a new deal to HubSpot. And then I have a few fields that I have kind of required. Um, well, let me just ask it, what info do you need from me? And then it'll tell me, so it needs the deal name, the deal stage, the deal amount, um, and business line and deal description. So those are the right now the fields that we have mapping over. You notice some of these are optional. Um, okay, so let's say add this deal to HubSpot. So we'll say name, we'll call this YouTube demo deal. Then we need the stage. Let's say it's referral. Referral. The amount is going to be, let's just say 120K. And then we'll leave the rest blank. Leave the rest blank. Okay. So it says the deal, YouTube demo deal has been added to HubSpot. Let's go over here. And then I just need to edit my filter. And then now we see that it's coming. I just the filter is filtering out because of the name. So you see now we have the YouTube demo deal, 120K in the referral stage, brought across simply by adding a prompt. Um, so you can see how we can interact with our HubSpot. Super nice. A lot of things you can do there. But for the sake of this demo, just leave it at that. If you want to see more, we can definitely you can reach out and we can jump on a call and I can show you some more of the capabilities. But let's create a new message. And let's just say I am prospecting some new leads. Spell that correctly. It would understand, but I'll just correct it. So I'm prospecting some new leads. Let's say I'm going to send some cold outreach to let's say we want to ask to whoever is in charge of automations for the company. Who or what roles should I target? Help me with the ICP. Let's just send that. And let's see. That's a great question. Your ideal target roles are typically head of marketing. I'm not going to go through all that. It can craft an outreach message targeting these roles. So let's say, let's pick the, I guess, head of marketing, just that first one. Write me a tailored first touch outreach for a head of marketing at a mid-size company. So you see, I had a typo understood just fine. So tailor outreach regularly, need a little more info. What is the value prop? Do you have any specific pain points? I say just use generic info based on what you know about our company. Just to keep this brief. Okay, so you see it knows some stuff about our business, project management, software consulting, and implementation. Um, okay. Um, so let's say draft me the outreach for the head of marketing based off what you know about our business. Give me a simple, not too salesy um, message. That is a great first touch. Okay, so now we have that subject. So a warm, professional, non-salesy, first outreach for the head of marketing. Okay, subject, quick hello from Pitaya, helping teams streamline the project and innovate email body. Hi, cheers, Christopher. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna say add this to my email. Added. And that's just okay. So subject, and let's send that. Okay. So it says the email has been added to your drafts with the subject quick help from Poseidon. Let's go over to our email, just refresh it, and there it is. So we can see quick hello from Pitaya, helping teams streamline project and innovate. Hi, and it had it brought it across perfectly. Cheers to software. So I would be able to look at it, make any changes. In this case, obviously change the name, add my signature, and I can send it out. But gives a really quick email drafted directly into my inbox or into my drafts folder that I can use. And you can see how now you can start combining this and say, okay, like, look at this deal, for example, company 12, give me, some insights into it. Okay, help me, I haven't heard back from them in a week. Help me craft a good follow-up message. This was the last message I sent them. This is what I said. Um, and so you can start seeing the power of being able to use this and just chat with it and then get it to actually execute on certain tasks. And the really cool thing is, in this demo, we just showed you HubSpot and email, which are just two tools, but you can connect this to, virtually an unlimited number of tools, depending on what your exact needs are. So, hopefully you found that interesting. Hopefully that was a cool, quick little demo. Like I said, if you have any questions, if you want to jump or dive into more details, see this on a call, or if you have any questions, definitely reach out. And if this is something you're interested in implementing or having for your business, definitely reach out and be happy to discuss what that would look like, what it would take to get this set up for you guys, and get it customized to work exactly how you need it. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on our next video.